In this video, we're going to look at how to remove characters from the right side of a string using an Excel formula. In this example, we have a string in cell B3 and the number of characters that we want to remove from the right side of the string captured in cell C3. To remove characters from the right side of the string, we're going to be using the left and the len functions. So we'll go ahead and begin entering the formula into cell D3. That's equals left, open parentheses. The left function returns a specified number of characters from the left side of a string. The first argument of the left function is the string from which we want to remove characters. So let's select cell B3, given that this is where we're capturing the string, followed by a comma. The second argument of the left function is the number of characters we want to extract from the string, starting from the left side. Therefore, we need to return the value of characters that we want to retain in this string, starting from the left. The way we do this is by using the len function to identify the total number of characters in the selected cell and remove the number of characters that we want to remove from the right side of the string. So let's enter this into the formula. That's len, open parentheses, and all we'll do here is just select cell B3, which captures our string, and close the parentheses. This will return the total number of characters in this string. And now all we need to do is subtract the number of characters that we want to remove from the right, which is captured in cell C3. So that's minus C3. You can just as easily enter a value of the number of characters that you want to remove from the right side of the string directly into the formula. However, in this example, I've just included it in cell C3, and that's why we're referencing to this cell. And what we'll do is just finish the formula with the closing parentheses and press the enter key. And that's it. The formula has now removed the nominated number of characters from the right side of the string. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.